Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best mud flap available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Riva Mud Flap. Designed specifically for Tesla Model 3, these Riva mud flaps stand out with precision scanning technology that ensures a perfect OEM-like fit, seamlessly matching the vehicle's original body lines without any visual disruption. The 4-piece set delivers impressive 3x military-grade splash protection, effectively shielding the paint from mud, gravel, and road debris, which helps maintain a cleaner exterior and reduces frequent washing. Built from the same TPE and PP composite materials used in Tesla factory components, they offer exceptional durability, resisting impacts, corrosion, and extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, making them suitable for all weather driving conditions. Tested through 1,000+ stress cycles, they promise long-term reliability without deformation. Installation is equally impressive, completely hassle-free and non-destructive, using original Tesla factory mounting points with no drilling required. Next up, we have Base Nor Mud Flap. These Tesla Model 3 mud flaps are designed with precision alignment for 2017 to 2023 models, ensuring a perfect OEM-style fit by matching the factory hole positions at the rear of the wheel. The installation process is refreshingly simple and completely damage-free, no drilling or adhesive tape required, preserving the car's original finish while maintaining a factory-clean look. Thanks to Tesla-specific mounting points, the flaps secure firmly in place using included screws and accessories, making DIY installation quick and accessible even for beginners. The upgraded design adds an extra bottom fixing hole, improving overall stability and reducing movement during high-speed driving or rough road conditions. Constructed from durable PP plus TPE composite material identical to OEM components, they offer strong resistance against impact, debris, and weather exposure. Coming in at number 3, Wiga Mud Flap. Designed specifically for Tesla Model 3 Highland, 2024 to 2026, these Wiga mud flaps showcase advanced 3D laser scanning technology that captures factory wheel well geometry with precision, ensuring a true 1:1 OEM fit. The result is a seamless integration with the vehicle's original curves, maintaining a sleek, factory-fresh appearance without any visual compromise. Built from military-grade PP plus TPE material identical to Tesla's OEM components, they balance rigidity and flexibility, effectively absorbing impacts while resisting cracking, deformation, and extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Road debris protection is significantly enhanced, keeping paintwork safe without affecting the car's refined aesthetics. Installation is equally impressive, completely no drill, using Tesla's original mounting points and snap-in clips, allowing a beginner-friendly setup in about 10 minutes. The press-fit design ensures a secure, stable hold. Additionally, the aerodynamic low-drag profile helps maintain efficiency, minimizing energy loss while preserving Tesla's performance and range integrity. Now at number 4, Fronty Mud Flap. This mud flap system is a thoughtfully engineered upgrade focused on real-world Tesla protection and efficiency. It targets critical splash zones, rear of front wheels and front/rear of rear wheels, based on Tesla vulnerability studies, ensuring maximum coverage where road debris impact is highest. Built from certified recycled TPE material, it delivers 3x flexural strength compared to rigid plastics and withstands extreme temperatures with proven durability across 30,000 bend cycles, reducing the risk of cracking or warping. The aerodynamic design is 15% slimmer than generic alternatives, with wind-tuned edges that reduce drag by up to 15%, potentially improving driving range by 8 to 12 miles per charge. Installation is extremely user-friendly, requiring only a 3-minute, tool-free press-fit alignment with OEM mounting points, far faster than screw-based kits. A triple-layer protection system enhances defense against mud, gravel, and spray, making it a balanced solution that prioritizes durability, efficiency, and ease of use for Tesla owners. And finally, our last pick, Watch Mud Flap. This mud flap set offers a practical, no-drill solution designed to protect your vehicle while preserving its original condition and paintwork. Engineered for a clean OEM-style fit, it uses existing factory holes and screw points, eliminating the need for any modifications or drilling. The carbon fiber-inspired finish not only enhances aesthetics, giving the car a sportier and more distinctive look, but also complements its protective function against dirt, mud, snow, sand, and road debris. Constructed from high-quality ABS plastic, the flaps provide strong durability, flexibility, and impact resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance under varied driving conditions. Installation is straightforward thanks to clearly marked positions, FL/FR/RL/RR, allowing users to quickly align and secure them using original mounting screws without professional help. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.